Good morning. Hi, everybody. Hello. Good morning. Hi, Angel. Are you leaving us soon? Yeah. She's got a long trip to Colorado. Ugh. Larissa. Come here, Larissa. Hi, baby. Hi, guys. Let's say hi to Larissa. She's gonna say hi. We got this gorgeous chocolate looking for a home. She can go home next Friday or Saturday. A beautiful girl. Dark chocolate with light chocolate mixed in. Stunning. What a beauty. Yes, you are. Look how sweet she is. Look at that face. She's a Jackson baby. Beautiful girl.